Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to connect Firestick to Wi-Fi without remote. Alright, let's begin. If you have your Fire TV stick but do not have the remote, you can still connect it to Wi-Fi. First, unplug the Fire TV stick from the power source and turn it off completely. To continue, you will need either access to your router settings or a mobile phone with a hotspot. The goal is to create a Wi-Fi network with the same name and password that your Fire TV stick was previously connected to. On a phone, open Settings and turn on the mobile hotspot. Rename the hotspot to match the old Wi-Fi network name exactly, and set the same password. Once that is done, power your Fire TV stick back on. It should automatically connect to the hotspot since the details match. Next, take another phone and connect it to the same hotspot. Open the App Store or Play Store and download the official Amazon Fire TV app. Open the app, allow permissions, and select your Fire TV stick when it appears. Enter the code shown on the TV to connect. You can now use your phone as a remote. From Settings, go to Network and connect to a new Wi-Fi network if needed. So that's basically how you can connect Firestick to Wi-Fi without remote. That's it for this video. Thanks.